Hey there, this is Ed Herzog, and today I want to show you OneStream Live. Now, OneStream Live just dropped on AppSumo. It's $59 for a one-time lifetime buy, or you can buy 2 codes, which will cost you $118. And I'll show you those at the end of the video, your different buying options. Now, before I start giving you a demonstration of OneStream Live, I do want to be very clear about one thing. OneStream Live, despite their name, is not exactly a live streaming platform. What you do with OneStream Live is you pre-record a video, upload it to their platform, then schedule it to be shown at a different day and time, whatever you choose in terms of when you want people to be able to see your video. So it's basically a simulated live platform. And you can connect it to different channels. You can have it show on multiple channels at the same time. So you could connect it to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. They've got 40-some plus platforms that you can connect to. So I want you to know that ahead of time. This is not exactly a live stream platform despite the name. Now, I can personally think of at least a couple of use cases for something like this. First of all, some people just don't like doing live presentations. I've done them. I've done live streams. I've done webinars. It's not my preferred way to do things, right? I'm an introvert. I like doing these videos here where, if I mess up, I can hit that stop button and start my video all over again. There are people like me who we just feel more comfortable if we're not doing something live, if we have the opportunity to pre-record something and then upload it later. Another use case I can think of is, I knew a guy years ago. He lived in the Philippines, but his clients were in the United States and in Europe. So this would have been a great tool for him, because for him to do something like a live stream wouldn't really work because he was in a very, very different time zone than most of his clients. So that's a second situation that I can think of where a tool like this can come in handy. And you perhaps can think of other use cases for a tool like this. But I want to make it clear that what you can and can't do with this platform. So let me switch over to my desktop and I'll take you through a quick tutorial of what you can do with OneStream Live. Actually, before I give you the demo, let me just show you some reviews of OneStream Live so you can see what people say about this particular company and this particular tool. So here I am over on Trustpilot, and you can see here OneStream Live, and they've got 116 reviews, 93% of them excellent, 7% of them great. And these all, you might think, well, maybe this is about the AppSumo deal, but these were all before the AppSumo deal. This most recent one was 2 days ago, and the AppSumo deal came out 1 day ago. This was on Sunday, July 5th. And if you go back, again, all of these are way before the AppSumo deal. And they go back to, if we go back to the end here, I believe they go back to November of last year. Actually, December of last year. So the company seems to be somewhat new, but it seems like they're getting a lot of positive buzz, a lot of positive feedback from customers. And looking through these, a lot of these comments are about customer support. Very, very positive comments about the customer support, which is, I did have to interact a bit with customer support this morning to resolve an issue. And I also felt the customer support was very good. And, I see people even mentioning here customer support people by name. So, you do sometimes have to wonder if reviews are legitimate or not. But when I see, customer support people being mentioned by name multiple times, that does give me some confidence these are actual, customers who are reviewing this product. And again, there are, with 116 reviews, there's not a single negative review of this product. So I think that's important to know, before I take you through the demo of OneStream Live. So here I am on my main dashboard for OneStream Live. You can see here you get some basic information about your live streams, and then you get some information about your account. Now, in order to add your social accounts, you can come over here to Accounts, click on that, and you can see I've already added my Facebook page. But in order to add additional accounts, I can click here on Add Account. And here you can see the various social accounts that you can add to your OneStream Live page. So I've got Facebook page, Facebook group, Facebook profile, YouTube, Periscope, custom RTMP, Twitch, Instagram, Mixer, Vimeo, Steam, Smashcast. And then there are a bunch of other ones that I have personally not heard of before. I'm guessing you haven't either. But there are obviously some people use these, and some people may be interested in these particular platforms. But here is the list of platforms they have. If you've got a question about the availability of a particular platform, I'm sure they have it on their website, or just ask me in the comments. I'm always happy to help people as best as I can, so just let me know. But these are the platforms they have. I assume most people are primarily going to be interested in these main ones here up at the top. And my understanding is that you can add more than one of the same. So if you have, for example, multiple Facebook pages, you can add multiple Facebook pages to the OneStream Live platform. Now, come over here, it says OneStream Storage. Now, I already went ahead and I uploaded a video just to test out the platform. My experience, this video is about 10 minutes long. It took a couple minutes to upload, which for me, actually, I thought was really good because where I record these videos is very, very, very far from our modem. If I was closer, I assumed it would have uploaded quicker, but even still, compared to other things I've uploaded on other platforms, I thought it did a really decent job of uploading this particular video very quickly. So that was my experience in terms of uploading a video to OneStream Live. Now, when you're ready to go live, you can just click here on New Stream, or they've also got a button right up there that says New Stream. So either there or there. And you'll click on that, and you have various options for putting videos onto the OneStream Live platform. So you can either upload a video that you already have, which is what I did. You can also use their tool to record a video. You can put on a previous upload, which I assume means that, if you want to if you've already done a video as a live stream via their platform, but want to do it again, the same video, I assume that's what that would be for. You can also upload via cloud storage. So you can do it via Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. So you have all these different options in terms of putting your videos on their platform in order to then do the simulated live stream. Now here you can see your schedule for your videos. This again I have scheduled to go out on Facebook, and I want to go ahead and click on edit this because I want to show you what some of your options are in terms of the video. Let's click on that and wait for it to load up. So first of all, here I can change the thumbnail. This is right now the thumbnail is just kind of the first screen, but I can change that. I can add a watermark, and if for some reason I want to change the video, I can do that as well. Here I can put in a title, a description, I can add tags, and then here I can put the stream in, right, or the schedule, the date, time, and the time zone. Let's take a look at the advanced settings. So I can also set up event notifications for my audience, so they know when I'm going to be going live. They can get a notification about the event. I can put up things related to privacy, so I can make public or private or friends Facebook only, so you've got some options there. I can do a 180 or 360 degree video. I can delete a stream. I've got an option for DVR, which is for YouTube only. I can click if the stream is for kids, which is a YouTube thing. And then it says video loops within each stream. So video will run one time within the stream. I'm not entirely sure what that does. It says total number of times the video total number of let's try this again. Total number of time the video playbacks during the allowed stream duration. Paid plan required. Okay, that I'm not entirely sure. I guess if you want to keep doing the same live stream over and over again, that would be what that is for. And then here I can choose my social accounts. Again, I've already only connected this page here, so I don't have any other options. But if I had connected additional social accounts, I would see those here as well. So those are your basic options for setting up a live stream on OneStream Live. Then I've also have some other things down here. I can look at my streaming history. Again, I don't have that right now because I haven't actually done any streams from this. I've got team members, so I can add team members. Then finally, they do have some information on analytics. So that is basically what live stream is, what it does. So let me switch over now and show you what you get with the AppSumo deal. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you have two options for buying OneStream Live via AppSumo. The first option is buying a single code. It costs $59. It gives you lifetime access to the standard plan. The other option is to buy two codes for $118, and that will give you lifetime access to their professional plan. Now let's take a look at these two different plans. With the standard plan, you get 15 queued streams at a time. So you can schedule 15 streams in advance. It's 1 hour max per live stream. So that's important to know. If for some reason, if you're the type of person who does really long live streams, then this one will not work for you. You need to look at this professional plan. You can connect up to 25 social accounts, 2 team members, 20 gigabytes of file storage, unlimited live streaming, multicast to 40 plus platforms, unlimited video file size via cloud, camera recording, 360 degree video supported, looping allowed, custom logo / overlay, team storage, analytics and insights, mobile app, and no video file size limit when uploaded via cloud storage. Now, with the professional plan, with the 2 codes, you go from 15 queued streams to 30, go from 1 hour max to 8 hours max, which is a huge difference, right? You go from 1 to 8. So this is actually a really great deal. You get these 7 additional hours max per live stream. You go from 25 social accounts to 50. You go from 2 team members to 4. You go from 20 gigabytes file storage to 50. Then there's one other important difference. If we come down here, you can also do Facebook cross-posting. So you can post on other people's Facebook pages. Obviously, you need their permission to do that. You can't do that without their permission, but you have that option here with the professional plan if you buy the 2 codes. So that is what you get with the OneStream Live AppSumo deal. If you have any questions before you buy, please let me know. I'm always willing to help out the best that I can. If you do choose to buy OneStream Live via AppSumo, I do appreciate it if you buy via my affiliate link, which I will put in the video description below. That does help me continue to create 100% free content. And finally, always a reminder to subscribe to my channel. I've got lots of videos coming out throughout the rest of this year, videos to help you build and grow your online business. So that is it. I hope you found value in this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.